In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your theme and night mode in Kreo. Let's get started right from your browser. Open Google Chrome, then head to the address bar at the top and type kreo.net. Press enter and give the page a moment to load. On the home page, look for the login button and click it. When the sign-in form appears, enter your email and password, then click login again to continue. Keep your credentials private and make sure you're on a secure connection before proceeding. After signing in, you should land on your home or dashboard page. This is your main hub, where you'll typically see an overview of your workspace and recent activity. Make sure you're on this page before moving ahead, since the options we need are easiest to find from here. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Click your profile icon, which might appear as your initials or a small avatar. From the drop-down menu, select Themes. This opens the place where you can personalize how Kreo looks and feels. In the Themes area, browse through the available designs and select the one you want. As soon as you click a theme, Kreo will automatically save and apply your choice, so there's no extra save button to find. You may notice the interface refresh for a moment as the new colors and styles take effect. That's normal. Take a second to scroll around and confirm that the theme matches your preferences across the dashboard and menus. While you're here, you can also adjust the night mode option. Toggle it on to switch to a darker interface that's easier on the eyes, especially in low light environments. Toggle it off to go back to a lighter look that can be helpful in bright settings. The change is immediate, so you'll see the difference right away. If you're doing long sessions or working late, night mode can reduce glare and help with visual comfort. Once your theme is set and night mode is configured the way you like, you're all done. Your selections are saved automatically, and you can return to this themes area anytime if you want to try a different look. To recap, you opened Google Chrome, went to Kreo.net, logged in, confirmed you were on the dashboard, opened your profile menu, chose themes, selected a theme that applied instantly, and adjusted night mode as needed. That's all it takes to personalize Kreo to your style and environment.